Welcome back. Welcome back. Let's get into it. I'll do this quick because I want to go to my bed. Just got home, so I don't have to rush to go anywhere. Ooh. Resin slapped me on my lip. This was from my coaster workshop. Some of the stuff that the kids, my students made, I used the rest of their resin left over and made some of these. This is a mix-up of a bunch of projects, including some from that class. It's like all these colors combined for this one coaster. All right, and what else we got over here? This one was also from that. Oh, this is a nice green. I think I was just saying I wanted a green. This is pretty. I like that. And oh, this one was also from that. This might be fun to take out. Let me do that one first, because y'all know I like to do the harder ones first, even though I've been slacking on that philosophy. Ooh. I gotta check and see if I have some more molds like this, because I'm pretty sure I have some more geometric or like gem looking molds. So I can make some different shaped pull knobs, door knobs, whatever you call them. Everyone swears there's something else. And I'm always like, what about this part? Like, are you thinking beyond your perversion? Because that doesn't seem comfortable. All right. Oh, this is pretty. This is also another, like all of these are like from my classes. I like to pour a little extra so I can make stuff from it, just to be like, oh, I remember that one time for that one class. Cause like, see that little, yeah. Anyways, oh, and this. Oh, yeah, I did all of these on Valentine's Day in my Pour Your Heart Out workshop. Ooh, okay, yeah, this mold gotta go. I think this is my last time using this one. I gotta buy a bunch of new molds, because some of these been rocking with me for a while, and I've made quite a few items with them, and they're on their last leg because they have been chemically altered and pulled and all type of liberty to get tick with them. All right, come on, I don't want any. Ooh. Oh, this is pretty. This is so pretty. Oh, I like this a lot. Yay. This came out looking so nice. But yes, this I started with like some other crafts that I was working on. That's why like this purple and blue are a little bit different from the other ones. But, and like the brown in here was like from my last thingy. But then everything on the inside part was from my class. I'm really, you know, oh, chair slide away. Not able. Okay, so we got one incense holder, one pull knob, a mini coaster, and 2 Palo Santo holders. Yeah, make sure you subscribe to All Things Pointless, and whether you got here on purpose or by fate, thank you so much for watching this Pointless Unmolding. Bye.